Hello guys, so today I'm gonna draw Rihanna and started with the round shape and a jawline and making strokes. There's no some professional skills that I have. I'm just making chaotic sketches first, and then we're gonna shade it later, and we're gonna fix it later. Yeah, anyway, Rihanna is my biggest celebrity crush, even though she has not released her album yet, but still she's just legend, right? Anyway, I have a selfie tripod for recording videos, but it won't make my videos look clear, so I need to go into the objects as close as possible and make it look clear, but yeah, my phone is keep shaking, so sorry for that. And we just erased something unwanted, and we're gonna shading again here. It's like a lot of shading here, and I cut it sometimes and didn't record it. And this is actually my favorite part, blending. Here we're gonna make her eyes look so sharp and make her eyes look alive. If it's not, sorry. Yeah, here my room become blue. I don't know why. It's an afternoon light. And I continue draw nighttime, which is I having break for a few hours, and I'm using torch from this camera. So yeah, hope you can see it clear. And another favorite part, it's makeup and make her what is this? Eyelashes. And this is some highlights with correction fluid, or we Indonesians say tip X. We use tip X in the nose and any area that needs some highlights. So yeah, this is our Ronaldo, and this is Rihanna. Thank you so much if you're watching this video, because I'm so happy. I just wanna make memories, but my phone is gonna explode because it's not really having so much storage. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and see you guys next.